download any videos from any website on Google Chrome. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download any videos from any website on Google Chrome. So first thing, simply head over to your Chrome browser and just search in for Video Downloader Plus from your Chrome Web Store. So simply first click on the first link, and from over here what you want to do is just click on Add to Chrome and just click on Add Extension from over here. And as you can see, it's being added to the Chrome, so you just have to wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, now it has been successfully added to my profile. To pin it, you just have to click on this extension bar and just click this pin button over here, and it will be successfully pinned to your extension bar. And let's say I want to download some random videos from over here. So if I play that particular video, it should pop up over here. So you just have to click on agree and continue. So once you click on it, as you can see, the videos will start appearing after you play it, just like that. So that is exactly how you can easily download any videos from any website on Google Chrome. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.